Hey guys, it's Miss Hall, and as promised, I'm going to do an unboxing video of the contents of our crystal growing experimental kit box. So, without further ado, we're gonna see what's all included. Okay, so it looks like we've got some mixing bowls. I don't know if you can see those, and it's got like a little mixing spoon in there. And then, okay, so this must be the fun part. It's got, these look like different things that we're going to be mixing to create the crystals. And we have, I'm not sure exactly what these are used for, but there's something that you put on top of the containers. So I'll have to read the directions to see how we use these. And then, of course, there are the directions, which are very involved. But I found something cool on the back, which was, it tells you how you can make different colors. And it tells you how you can make large, medium, and small size crystals. So we're going to attempt to grow a few of these crystals. We're going to start the experiment tonight, and we will definitely be making more videos. So stay tuned. Okay, so step one says that we need 200 milliliters of hot water to grow our crystals. And it suggests using boiling water because it says it makes the crystals grow best. So we've measured out 200 milliliters of water, and I'm going to put it in this pot on the stove so that it can boil. And then we will have to use a thermometer to see if it's the right temperature. Okay, now that our water is boiling, come over so they can see the boiling water. We know that it's 100 degrees Celsius, so it tells us to pour the boiling water into the stirring bowl, which is this. Yikes, I have to be careful with this step because it's very hot. So I'm gonna pour it into the stirring bowl. And then it says we need to add the contents of 1 large bag, the white crystal compound, to the water, and then we have to stir it up. So my assistant is getting the white bag so we can pour it in, and then we can stir it up. All right. I'm gonna pour this in there. Uh-oh, we got a little, there we go, snafu here. Thank you. All right, so that's in there. Now I've got to stir it. It says stir until all the powder has dissolved to make a solution. Now we need to set a timer for 15 minutes. It says that this allows the solution to cool in the stirring bowl, and it will be fully dissolved. So I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for 15 minutes, and now we wait. Okay, so now I'm supposed to take this and pour it evenly in these 4 cups. It'd be interesting. Let's see. I'm a little bit nervous about doing it. Okay. Okay. Oh. I'm scared of doing too much because I want it to be as even as possible. Okay. How are we doing? Need more in this one? This stuff does not smell great. I'm just gonna say that. Okay.
Get down and go.
This is really not easy. I'm just gonna say that. There we go. Looks nice and even to me. Okay. So we're moving on to the next step. All right, now that we have poured them into the 4 containers and they're somewhat even, I have to set a timer for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do that now, and then we will be back to perform the next step very soon. All right, so the next step, it says for us to take the particles and spread them evenly over the base of the large transparent cover.
He's doing it.
Gently sprinkle all the seeding mixture over the surface of the warm solution.
He did it.
So we've got one of them with the mixture in there. All right, here's the second one. Oh, this one's a different color. Okay. If you look, this one's kind of a different texture too. It's almost like a rock salt.
Mix 2 of them.
Oh, now he's gonna get 2 colors and mix them and see what happens. Okay. All right, so now it says do not stir. Okay. All right, so now I think we have to wait. So I will be back soon with another video. Okay, now that we put the seedling mixture in the bowls, it says that we have to wait, we have to leave them alone for 15 hours, which sounds like a long time, but it does say that if we watch them every few hours, that they'll start to grow in the first day and possibly reach a width of about 2 inches and a height of about 1.5 inches in about 4 to 7 days. So it says that they have to be in an environment where it's a warmer environment. So we're having them stay in our house where it's pretty warm. So I will be checking in with the crystals again in the morning to see how much they've changed, and we can make an observation.